Today I'm gonna be opening this like squishy ball thing, and I'm gonna be like cutting it open because it like broke. There was like some like lace thingy on it, and now it like broke, so I'm gonna cut it open. I got some scissors, and since I'm on a carpet, I got this like clear like slime lid thing, so I can put like whatever's inside of it on here so it doesn't get on the carpet. So I'm gonna start by just cutting it open. Whoa. I'm just gonna squeeze it out now. So what was inside of here is this really like jiggly slime. Like it's like not stretchy at all. It's neon orange, and when I try to poke it, it's like a weird like consistency. Yeah, that's what's inside of a squishy ball thing. I don't really know what it's called, but yeah, I think that's what it's called. But when I squeeze it, it like breaks apart. That's the end of this video, so make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.